Have you ever wondered why Apple products just genuinely feel better than any other company's products? It isn't the logo, and it certainly isn't the price tag. It's actually a series of engineering hacks designed to trick your brain and make you love the products. Today we're looking at the science of premium. Thank you to Aman Astronaut for the video idea. His video linked in the description. Most budget or mid-range laptops are made out of a cheap plastic, but Apple uses solid aluminum, which is recycled by the way, even on their most budget laptops, which is, to be honest, not very budget-y, like the MacBook Neo. The aluminum that Apple uses to construct their laptops is naturally cold because aluminum is a good conductor of heat. In your brain and in my brain, cold and heavy definitely equals high quality, premium, and luxury. Even before you turn it on, your hands and brain automatically know that it is a high quality just from the build material. Now, look at any modern MacBook or Magic Trackpad. I'm just using the Magic Trackpad 2 as an example. Click it. Do you feel that click? Well, that is not actually a real click. If I just turn the power off, nothing happens. It's as hard as a rock. In real life, it's just a solid slab of glass. Apple uses magnets to vibrate the surface from the Taptic engine to give you haptic feedback. It rhymes. When you press, although this feature is not available on the MacBook Neo, which lacks the haptic trackpad. It is almost as if it feels too perfect to be real. Oh wait, it is. Try opening a MacBook with only one finger without the bottom lifting off the table, and then try the exact same thing on a Windows laptop. It just doesn't work. Note, some mid-range or more expensive Windows laptops do have this feature, although it is very limited. That is another secret trick that Apple uses. It makes it so effortless to do these simple tasks that you do have to think about when using a Windows laptop. Apple gives good hinge quality that does not degrade fast at all. I can still do this trick on my heavily used and heavily worn MacBook Pro from 2011, no matter how dirty the hinge might be. Lastly, do not forget Apple's ecosystem. The Apple ecosystem has so many great features that you just don't find on any other ecosystem, if there are even any, since Android and Windows just have so many manufacturers that there are too many products and there are no great company ecosystems, again for the same reason. Think about the fact that Samsung released 14 smartphones in 2025, where Apple consistently only releases 4 or 5 a year. And then there is iCloud and Handoff. Those two things single-handedly convinced thousands of people to make the switch because they're just so integrated into the software. iCloud also lets you sync files, photos, and passwords, and more, across many devices, and Handoff lets you start things on one device and finish them on another. Apple is not only selling an amazing machine, which you have to admit they are, but they are also selling an experience that is created to draw customers back. They make tech that just feels timeless. If you want more tech secrets, stick around for more. I'll see you in the next one.